myself Ovee, and today I am going to show you my cooking learning, and my mom will help me too. So let's start. So first we will prepare rice, and for that we should take 1 cup of raw rice and wash it twice. Before washing, you should remove dust and any other particles from the raw rice. After washing twice, we should take filter water and wash it again. As you can see, you should wash it properly to remove all the dust from the rice. Now remove the extra water. Now add water twice of the rice quantity. Now put it on gas on high flame. Now put 1 spoon of salt. Now let's prepare for our chapatis. 1.5 cup of flour. Now we will sieve it. A half spoon of salt and mix it. On the surface of the rice, foam will be forming, so we should remove it. Remove it and throw it. Slowly put little water and make a dough. Now the water has become less, so we'll put a plate on it and cover it. Put this airtight cover. Till the rice is getting cooked, we will prepare for our sabji. Do you know which sabji I am going to make today? Come, I will show you. Lady finger, my most favorite vegetable. To remove the extra water, we'll wipe it with a nice washed cloth. Ladyfinger improves our digestion, blood sugar regulation, heart health support, and is a good source of vitamin C and K. That's why I like ladyfinger. After making ladyfinger dry, we will cut it. The rice is cooked, so we will off the gas. I'm so tired, so let's have a milkshake. The milkshake is finished. It was so yummy. We'll make a masala by using ginger, garlic and chili. And we will grind it. Break the chili in half. You can use chili according to you, how much spice you want. Grind the ginger, garlic and chili properly to make a paste. Now we'll take it. Now after grinding, it became a paste. Now we will take it out. Chop off and discard the hard top, stem end and pointy tail end. Like this. The hard top, stem end and the pointy tail end. And if there is a spoiled ladyfinger, remove it. I am cooking here and my brother asked me for some water. So let's go and give him. Come. My brother is studying because he has exams and I am cooking because I have holidays. My brother is tired by doing studies. And that's why I gave him water. I have cut the lady finger and here are some masala and for making the lady finger sabji. Now we'll put 2 to 3 spoons of oil. When the oil will become hot, we'll put this masalas in it. The oil has become hot. Now we will put half spoon of mustard. And jeera 1 spoon. We will put turmeric half spoon. And mix it on low flame. Put the lady fingers in it. Mix it well. I am putting here 1 spoon of salt. You can put according to you. Mix it. Till the lady's finger is getting cooked, we will prepare for our chapatis. Now I'll put this cover on this sabji to make it get fried. For the rice, I have made this dal and in the dal I have only put salt and turmeric. I am gonna make 11 chapatis. I don't know properly, so I am learning to cook in my holidays. I made 11 chapatis and they are very small. So we'll start our lunch. The dal is ready and even the lady finger sabji is ready. Only in dal we should put this coriander leaves. And mix it. Now we'll take our lunch and eat. The lady finger sabji is ready and it smells very nice. And I'm waiting for eating it. And I have made lady finger sabji first time, so I'm very happy. What do you think, friends? Will my brother like it or not? As I first time made lady fingers sabji. Now we will take dal in this. And for some gulab jamun. going because I want to eat this every. I made it first time, so I will give this to God first, then my brother. Now let's go and give to my brother. How is it?
Nice. Food is very nice. You make food every day.